In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the Wix website editor to enhance your website by adding some essential elements. First, let's head over to your Wix site editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you'd like to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll have access to a wide array of tools designed to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your site. Once you're inside the editor, start by clicking on the Contact and Forms option found in your dashboard. This is a great place to manage and customize the forms on your website. Whether you're looking to enhance communication with visitors or gather essential information from them. After clicking on Contact and Forms, you'll want to move to the next task, which involves selecting any aspect you wish to highlight. Highlighting helps draw attention to specific elements on your page, making them more prominent and engaging for your audience. Following this, you'll need to click on Form, which is one of the core elements you can add to your website. Forms are vital for collecting user information, registrations, and other essential contacts. Now, you'll notice an option to Add Elements. These elements are additional items you can incorporate into your form or page to improve its functionality or user experience. Adding elements can range from simple text fields to sophisticated interactive options that better engage your visitors. The next step is to click on Feedback. Integrating feedback forms into your website is an excellent way to collect opinions and suggestions from your visitors, helping you improve your site based on real user input. When you see the option for Highlight, click it again, as this helps emphasize specific features or areas where you want users to focus. Enhanced visibility on key areas often leads to increased interaction and engagement on those sections or forms. Let's move on by clicking My Forms. This will show you all the customized forms you've created, allowing you to manage or edit them as needed. After that, you'll click on Pre-Made Forms. Pre-made forms are particularly useful as they provide you with a variety of design and content templates that are ready to use, saving you time while ensuring professionalism and functionality. Finally, end this section by clicking on Google Maps. By integrating Google Maps into your site, you can provide easy-to-understand directions and enhance your location-based services. It's particularly beneficial for businesses with physical locations, making it easier for visitors to find you. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to effectively incorporate and manage forms on your Wix website, making your site more interactive and user-friendly. Remember to explore and try out different elements and layouts to see what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.